Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Caio Teixeira and today I will show you how to save up to 50% of time in completing your Lean Six Sigma projects by using the Lean Six Sigma Project Optimization tool. Achieving this time saving in your projects, you'll be able to complete more projects, improve the communication on your projects, generate more benefits, stand out as a professional, and become more attractive to the job market. Before starting the class, I want to make it clear that this tool is for those who have Lean Six Sigma certifications such as Yellow Belt, Green Belt, and Black Belt, and have difficulties in organizing their projects, causing low efficiency and waste of time. This optimization tool will set in order all the stages of your project and will save you a lot of time on completion. This video is also for professionals who have gone recently through the trainings. Usually, these professionals are still lost in what the steps are and they are confused about the tools and the concepts from Lean Six Sigma. The optimization tool will give you the step-by-step of which stages and the tools to be used in each of them. I say that this video is also for professionals working with continuous improvement and problem-solving projects. In the tool, you have all the mechanisms you should use to find the root cause and deliver proper solutions to your problem. However, this video is not for you who have no knowledge about Lean Six Sigma, because you won't be able to apply all the tools you will find in the tool. Also, it is not for you who are trained in Lean Six Sigma but are not acting on projects, because this tool will help you to manage your projects in terms of saving time and having a better organization. I'm very uncomfortable with these companies that offers Lean Six Sigma training but do not offer support to the students. They usually teach the methodology and some tools, but they do not help the students on how to carry out good projects and deliver value as a professional. Most of these companies offer online Six Sigma trainings, and I don't trust any of the online Six Sigma courses. Thinking of these people who want to do their best on the projects but don't know how, I decided to make available the tool that I've been using for the past 10 years working in this segment. It helped me to organize my projects, communicate efficiently, conduct better team meetings, and complete the projects in a shorter time. Many people use flip charts, paper, PowerPoint slides to document their projects and the progress, but this is not the right way to do it. The best way to do it is to use all these three elements and more, if you have like Excel or other kind of softwares, to document your projects and have a better communication with the team, with the process owner, with your champion, with your mentor. This is exactly what the tool delivers to you. That's why I'm going to show you now in the computer screen how the tool works. Now you can see right here the screen with the tool, the optimization tool, Lean Six Sigma Projects Optimization tool. As you can see, you have the 5 stages or phases of every Lean Six Sigma project, the DMIC cycle, right? So you have here the define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Right above all these different phases, you have the tools that you should complete to deliver the proper information to your project, to your team, to your champion, to your mentor, right? So this will help you a lot on how to use the tools and where to use the tools, in which phase of the project to use the tool. So right here you can see that you have the project charter for defined phase, project scope, SIPOC, critical to quality, and critical to business. You can see that the yellow ones are for yellow belts, green belts, and black belts. The green ones, only green belts and black belts, and the black ones for black belts, right? So here you have all the phases, all the tools that each stage of belt you could use in your project. If we click in any of these tools, for example, let's click on SIPOC. If I click SIPOC right here, it delivers me to the SIPOC tool that should be completed by you as a belt, right? So starting for the first by the output and then going with the process steps, then input, supplier, and customer. You probably know how to fill up all this information. The difference is you don't need necessarily paper in the wall like a flip chart, putting post-its. If you want to do this, not a problem, you can do it, but you can take a picture and transfer to here just to have it documented. It will be easier to you to communicate the project, like sending this document, this file, this Excel file to someone that would like to know the progress of your project, and you can document it. Imagine in 1, 2, 3 months, maybe 1 year, you want to get back, and then you have everything in one only document. Very good. If we click right here on the home, then you get back to the project overview, right? So you can click in all of the other tools, it will deliver you directly to the tool. So right here you have a compilation, like a summary of all the tools by phase that you should complete if you are yellow belt or green belt or black belt. If we go to the individual project roadmap, you can select right here, for example, I won't do this project scope, for example. Then you just click here, turn it like an X, and it will appear here. Why? But what's the reason you are not going to complete this phase of your project? And then if we get back to home, you will see that now you have it with some lines in diagonal, some lines that says, it won't be completed. So you don't need to click it here because it won't be completed, right? So you are informing the people that you are not going to take that tool in that phase because it makes no sense. And if the person would like to know why, they just go there, look at the reason, and you have everything there explained. Very good. Additional to this, we have the support for the mic. So if you want to calculate your gauge R and R for continuous data, you have here all the formulation, right? The same for gauge R and R discrete data. You just come here, you just put your information, pass or fail, for example, and then the tool will bring you the score versus attribute that you need for your project, right? So you have everything here. The same is for the sample that you should collect in your measure phase. So let's take a look on measure phase. Right here, you have the output measure and what is critical to quality, critical to business. Then you have the operational definition, the measurement system analysis, and here the sample size, right? So this is for continuous data. You just come here, put your standard deviation, the granularity, and the size of the population you have, and the tool will bring you the sample size much more easier than you calculating everything as you see here in this blue square. So this tool helps you a lot on completing your project. It will save you time in terms of organization, will save you time on calculations, will save you time on searching for information about your project because you have everything centralized here. Now getting back to the home, let's get back to the home, right? So you have everything here. If you want a fishbone diagram, you have it here, and you just copy this thing here, you bring it here, and you put your text, and you have all the potential causes for method, for example, right? So this is a way to you to complete your fishbone without a flip chart if you don't want to do it. But if you want to use your flip chart or PowerPoint slide, you just copy and paste here just to centralize your project, right? So you have different things as well. You have the race matrix here if you would like to use it. You have right here the control charts. You just put your information here and it gives you all the information in terms of control charts. Additionally to this, you can use the action item log just to put all the information, just to put all the actions you should take, date with dates responsible, percentage of completion, man days, working on this, just to make sure that your project is running. You don't need to use an additional platform to control the activities. You can use everything here. Well, as you can see, this tool is very complete. You have all the tools you must use for yellow belts, green belts, black belts in each phase of the DMIC cycle, and additionally you have the support tools that will help you on completing, on conducing your project with the team. You have here handover protocol, you have here meetings rules, for example. You can change if you want, but here are some guidance for you in completing your project. Now, for you that are interested in having the Lean Six Sigma optimization tool, I must say that you will have immediate access, and all the classes where I explain how to fill in all the tools and all the steps of that tool will be recorded, and you can run the video whenever you want. Well, by clicking the button below, you can purchase this tool, and if you don't like it, you have 7 days to ask for full refund. I hope this explanation was enough for you, and I managed to show you all the advantages on using the Lean Six Sigma project optimization tool. I wish you much success on your projects. Now, click the button below, acquire the tool, and I see you in the classes. Bye bye.